Kia ora koutou, Courtney here. Konei aku mahi. A little bit of background about my mahi, because I'm not in the classroom. It occurs alongside an organisation named East Bay Rep. I am the schools coordinator, and my role is to connect, broker and facilitate local solutions to learning gaps for our communities. We are continually talking and collaborating with whānau, teachers and partners. Pretty much anything that's going where we can add value, you will find us. We aim to support to achieve learning engagement, success and well-being. Post Level 3 COVID-19, the new normal is looking up with collaboration, strength-based leadership and reflective practice at the forefront of the Eastern Bay of Plenty education sector. So what better time to review our organisation's core function, collaboration. The ITL 21st Century Skill Rubric provided a resource tool for the team to evaluate our internal practice of collaboration. Through the East Bay Reps leadership team's deliberate choice to progress the organisation towards an agile methodology, the default expectations to work in groups, share responsibility and make decisions together and work independently. Upon independent reflection, referring to the rubrics, the team were confident that each was able to collaborate out in the community to shape learning projects. The consensus being that collaboration with key stakeholders was comfortable due to the shared understanding that all progression constructed was from the notion of working interdependently. The team, however, required a deeper dive to see where our team had activated internal ITL 21st Century Skill Rubric collaboration characteristics. One of our whānau decisions was us as an organisation leaning into the practices of creating shifts in our organisation to identify how we can contribute to the Sustainable Development Framework. In 2018, as an organisation, we engaged Dr. Jill Crisp with a broad stroke umbrella concept, building sustainable communities using a human rights community-led development approach. The 2019 phase of the project aimed to extend support to reps to build on existing community-led approaches we used. Byproducts of the project were its ability to extract 12 of the core 21st century learning skills referenced in the World Economic Forum published report. 2 foundational literacies, all 4 competencies, and 6 character qualities. The project highlighted that the majority of the original team identified best practice collaboration being face-to-face and involving little more than the use of an email as a technology application. At a later date, it would be worth the team exploring the TAM, Technology Acceptance Model, where we can unpack our team's perception of using collaborative online technologies. Andrew M. 2019. As a collective, we now know we need to provide an opportunity for the team to build ICT literacy. The team needs to be prepared for the now of the workplace, mastering skills associated with collaboration. Chu Kennedy and Mac, 2009. Now what? A few facts. As we fast forward to 2020, 1, we continue our lofty organisational goal to embed the SDG framework into our everyday practice. 2, we physically have increased our team numbers, lots of new people in the fold. 3, we recognise we're all at different stages of our SDG journey. Because the organisation has maintained an agile structure, we have discovered that throughout the various Scrum now, there is a spread of collaboration knowledge. a spread of sustainable development goal knowledge, and increased ICT knowledge. ICT literacy knowledge, the possibilities to capitalize on the diversity of skills will provide a greater bandwidth to tracking towards our lofty goal. Boss Susie 2014 state, if learning aims are lofty and technology helps reach them, then integration of technology is essential to the project. By taking this approach, there is assurement that current ICT literacies will be nurtured through the osmosis process, the process of gradual and unconscious assimilation. What we are proposing as a whānau is to dovetail into our STG journey an authentic project, aka Tree Hugs, that will stretch the comfort zone of individuals inside of the scrum whilst building personal capability, nurturing the SDG journey through integration of technology as an essential tool to the project. Project Tree Hugs. Our Scrum Masters will be Dion and Anna. They are our insurance quality and our ICT guru, where their focus will be on shifting our most often used forms into a digital platform that can be shared rather than printed. And we'll continue moving on some sustainability ideas that were brought forward from our last team, whānau hui. The big picture, East Bay REAP are committed to environmental sustainability, but some of what we do has fallen short. This project sets us on a journey of exploration and action around better practices in our workplace. We've got a few key objectives. Set a clear environmental sustainability policy for East Bay REAP. Determine and embed sustainability practices across our process and workspaces, empowering and educating as we go. Measure and report on key sustainability outcomes. How we're going to achieve that? Through some key actions. One, an exploratory phase, looking at different company models, an audit guide to give us a measuring point at project beginning, and this will inform our draft when and how for sharing. We're going to embed and enable opportunities of lifelong learning skills. And 3, we're going to identify and utilize technology as an essential part of this project. Hope that provides a little bit of an overview around our East Bay REAP authentic, lofty project where we're going to be supporting tree hugging, cost saving and going digital.